This is the Tarot's Galaxy 1111, and today I am going to do the weekly reading for Aquarius for the 13 July to the 20th July 2020. Why the Lovers is reverse for the Aquarius in this week? Why the Lovers is reverse? Okay. The Queen of Swords in reverse. Ace of Wands. And the Hierophant. Okay. And the bottom of the deck is Judgment in reverse. Okay. I think there are some issues in your married life or any your love life. Okay, who has been the person who has been committed with you. Okay, so there are some, it might be the mild crashes, or it might be the small fights, or for some of you it might be the major issues in your married life. So but as I am able to see that there is a hope of new beginning in your married life. Okay, so don't worry about it. The issue or the problem will get sorted. Okay, and you will be able to celebrate with your person. This is the card, Three of Cups is the card of celebration. Okay, the celebration, it might be the birthday of any one of you, and it might be something celebration in your family, in your work life, anything. Okay, so don't worry about it, and you will be in the wisdom, you will be the happy, you will be the joyful. Okay, the new circle in your married life, the one circle has been completed and now the another circle is coming. Okay, the new circle of happiness, new circle of coming happiness. The world is, your world is going to change. Okay, so please come out of this. Okay, please come out of this. This is the divine connection. Okay, so whatever the issues, don't take any judgment. Okay, this is the Judgment card. Okay, don't take any judgment, don't do any judgment, don't do any harsh don't use any harsh words, harsh actions, or anything hurting to any one of you. So this is your reading. So in this week you are going to be happy and your problem will get sorted. So now we will take one advice card you from the unicorn decks. Okay, and I will let you know the affirmation for you. Okay, you might be dealing with the fire sign. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo. I think Taurus. Okay, your partner may be, or might be you have that sign in your charts. Okay, don't cut out that don't cut that person out. Okay, don't be harsh. Okay, the things will get sorted. The cards are telling you the new beginnings will be coming. Okay, don't make any judgment, don't make any judgment. Okay, one advice for the Aquarius for coming week, one advice for the coming week. One advice for the Aquarius in the coming week. Okay, Feather, and bottom of the deck is Archangel Michael. Okay, the Feather. This card is telling you from the unicorns that they are near you. Okay, So this card is telling you that they are near to you. Okay, don't worry about it. The universe is helping you out. Okay. So, and the bottom of the deck is Archangel Michael, that is, use the sword of truth to help the world. Use the sword of truth to help the world. To help the world, use your truth. Okay. So I will let you know the affirmation for the feather. Okay. What is the affirmation? See. So feather is letting us know that look for a sign from them. Look for a sign from the unicorn and know that they are assisting you in your situation. They are helping you out from this situation. They are near to you. Okay, they are near to you in the form of feather. You might be looking feather around you, uh, and your around your workplace, or where you roaming out or anything. Okay, so the affirmation is, I look for a message from the unicorns today. So you have to take this affirmation. Okay, you have to do this affirmation. I look for a message from the unicorns today. Okay, this is the affirmation for you. And the other affirmation is from the Archangel Michael, is, so the Archangel Michael is guides you to carry the sword of truth to help someone weaker than yourself. So around you there will be someone who needs your help, or who is weaker than you. Okay, so your unicorn is beaming integrity, courage, and courage at you, so that you can help them out. Okay, the unicorn is giving the capability in you, the courage in you, so that you can help them out. So the affirmation is, I stand in my power and I help other with the integrity. It is might be the person you're committed and the person you're already with, that if that person needs your help. Okay, that's why maybe the card is in reverse. So some small fights, arguments will be there. So don't take in that way. Help them out and go forward. Okay, and universe is helping you out. So this was your reading. So for the Aquarius for the coming week, that is the 13 July to the 20 July 2020. So if the messages are resonating with you, then let me know in the comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, take care.